All right, so now I'm ready to begin creating my course. Now you're looking at my eLearn course page, and I'm pretending I'm creating a course on farm animals, whatever. And now you would normally think, a lot of people think, that they're going to create the course in eLearn. I'm going to tell you, 90% of your work is actually organizing your thinking and your course itself in Google Drive. So you're going to do the bulk of your course creation in Google Drive using Google Docs, Google Slides. If you prefer, you can use Microsoft Word, but you're going to host it inside Google Drive. And then really what you're going to do is you're going to use eLearn to link to those activities in your Google Drive. You might upload some PDFs into eLearn, but eLearn itself is not where you're going to do a lot of the typing and the creation of the activities and the courses. Really, eLearn is going to be linking, is going to serve as that the launch pad to link to your various resources, your YouTube videos, your PDF articles with PDFs that you're going to read, and all that sort of stuff. And so let me show you what that might look like. So here I am in in Google Drive. I've got my folder for my course. I'm calling it Farm Animals 101. And you'll notice I've got a folder for each of my 8 weeks. And plus I've got a week 0. And so week 0 is where I'm going to store my syllabus, probably a Google Doc version and a PDF version. I'll tell you, I do everything in Google Docs because it makes it so easy. If I need to make an edit, I change it, and all my students automatically get that same updated version. I don't have like the old Microsoft Word problem of version 1, version 2, version 3, use this one kind of naming structure. So I do everything in Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Slides. In that, and then over here, then for each of my weeks, I've got all of my various resources that the students are going to be reading or accessing for that given week. And so that's how I'm going to organize all of my work. A key thing that you're going to do is when you're designing your course, and I'm going to go to week 1 and I'm going to open up that syllabus here. For my week 0, when I'm creating that syllabus, I want to create a course that has a familiar pattern from week to week. So I'm going to open up my syllabus. I'm going to fill in whatever information I need, but I'm going to scroll down to right here where I'm going to zoom in a little bit there. Good. And so my agenda from week to week is I'm going to really try and follow a repeatable, predictable pattern for each week. It makes it easy for me as the teacher to create and grade from week to week. It makes it easy for the students to anticipate what's going to be expected of them and what they need to do in order to achieve that. And so I'm going to really work hard on that. And a bulk of my work in designing my eLearn course is not going to be an eLearn. So this is really right here. The bulk of my work is going to be done in creating my learning experience in my syllabus, and I'm going to be organizing all the research, the articles that the students are going to read, or the Google Slides that they're going to be watching, or the assignments that they're going to be completing. I'm going to be doing and organizing all of that inside my Google Drive. All right, and that's the bulk of it. This is where you're going to make your experience as a facilitator easy. It's when you design your course entirely in Google Docs. Then, once you're ready, in a subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to start linking things from eLearn into your Google Drive resources that you have. So step 1, At this point, I don't know if this is step one, but at this point, you're going to be designing your course syllabus with your course.